Hi friends, I wanted to come on and personally thank you for being a subscriber. Can you believe we hit 50,000 subscribers? This is just crazy. Now, I normally don't think about it until last night that someone mentioned it, and I was like, wow, 50,000 people actually subscribe to watch my videos. That's just crazy. I would have never thought I'd be in this position. I'm very grateful, I'm humbled, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I also want to celebrate my other platforms. I'm on TikTok. I'm over 2,000 followers there. And then a Facebook page that I started a few months ago. I'm at about 1.6K. And Instagram is my newest one, which I recently started posting. And I'm only at about almost 150 followers. So if you're on any of those platforms, please be sure to follow me there as well. Now, to celebrate this milestone, I'm going to be giving away an Amazon gift card and probably some merchandise. It's still kind of in the works. So be sure to continue to watch my videos and go to my community section because I'll probably be announcing it soon. I also wanted to remind you, if you're a subscriber and you never hit that little bell, please be sure to go check it and make sure that you hit all notifications. You may be thinking, no, I don't want to get any junk. You're not. All this does is whenever I post new videos and you're browsing YouTube, it'll show up on your feed. Otherwise, you might not see my videos. So if you can, please make sure that you hit that little notification. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the YouTube algorithm, which recently changed and has affected a lot of us YouTubers. It's important that whenever you watch my videos, that you give it a like, you leave me a comment, even if you just say hello, and that you share my video. If YouTube sees interaction in my videos, I have a greater chance of them pushing my videos out. Otherwise, I'll just be stagnant and no one will find me. So I'd greatly appreciate it if you could help me there. Just to give you a quick update on what's to come, I've got a series of videos I'm working on for healthy meals and snacks. I recently started going to the gym. I'm trying to lose a few pounds and also eat a little healthier. Now, by all means, I'm not a nutritionist or a doctor, but I'm just going to share what's helping me. Hopefully, you'll get something out of it. Once I put out the series, if you're into fitness and want to give me advice, I'm more than open to it. I hope that I'm able to continue to provide you with content you want to see. Now, if there's something special you want me to try, please be sure to let me know in the comments below. Again, I just want to thank you for your support. And if you're new to my page, I invite you to consider subscribing. I make easy and delicious recipes that all can enjoy. Now, just a quick reminder that I also have an Amazon storefront where you can shop a lot of the products that I use in my kitchen. And I also have a merch store where you can buy t-shirts, hats, cups, that sort of thing. I'll be sure and post both links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.